Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer. Today, we're diving into 10 incredible classic motorcycles for sale, real machines of history, priced from just $1,500. Let's explore these timeless rides that still turn heads decades later. 1. 1986 Harley-Davidson Electroglide, $5,000, Harrah, Oklahoma. The 1986 Electroglide Ultra Classic is everything you imagine when you think old-school American touring. This one has 71,000 miles on it, but don't let that scare you. The top end was rebuilt just 1,000 miles ago. It's a Harley that's lived, breathed, and been loved, with upgrades everywhere. New LED lights, voltage regulator, clutch kit, and a Sony Bluetooth stereo blasting through Hog-tuned speakers. It even features air suspension for that floating on the highway comfort, making this machine a perfect mix of vintage charm and modern convenience. If you've ever wanted a cross-country cruiser with real history and muscle, this Electroglide might just be your affordable dream bike. 2. 1975 Honda CB, $4,500, Austin, Texas. The 1975 Honda CB series represents the golden era of Japanese engineering. Simple, elegant, and bulletproof reliable. This unit was completely torn down to the frame and restored in the early 2010s, and it shows. No rust, no leaks, and no nonsense. Just the timeless appeal of Honda's smooth inline 4. With its striking orange paint, clean title, and silky smooth ride, this CB is more than just a motorcycle. It's a piece of mechanical art. It's the perfect daily classic, ready to ride, not just to look at. 3. 1970 Triumph 650 Tiger, $4,200, Denton, Texas. A true slice of British motorcycling heritage, the Triumph 650 Tiger. This example remains in impressively original condition, with matching numbers and a clean Texas title. It's been tastefully updated with Boyer electronic ignition, a Rix regulator, and a fresh Amal Premier carburetor. The Tiger's 650cc parallel twin delivers that iconic Triumph growl, a sound every vintage enthusiast recognizes instantly. This is the kind of bike that invites admiration at every stoplight, offering both mechanical authenticity and that irresistible cafe racer soul. 4. 1977 Yamaha XS 360, $3,000, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Only 922 miles since new. Yes, you heard that right. This Yamaha XS 360 is basically a time capsule. Lightweight, nimble, and smooth, it's a perfect entry-level vintage ride that captures the essence of Yamaha's 70s engineering. The classic black finish, twin-cylinder engine, and simple mechanical setup make it easy to maintain and even easier to love. For collectors and riders alike, finding one this clean and original is like discovering a sealed record from a forgotten era. Number 5. 1994 BMW K Series. $6,500, Fort Sill, Oklahoma. The BMW K1100 LT was originally a long-distance touring machine, but this one's been transformed into a stunning cafe racer masterpiece. Fully rebuilt in 2022, it features a BEP 2.0 ECU upgrade, custom cluster, new seals, gaskets, and a redesigned body that turns this once heavy tourer into a sleek, aggressive street icon. Every component has been stripped, polished, and clear-coated for longevity. With 1100 cc's of smooth, torquey power, it's both modern and nostalgic, a machine built for those who appreciate precision, craftsmanship, and speed. Number 6. 1973 Suzuki GT750, $2,200, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Nicknamed the Water Buffalo, the GT750 was the first water-cooled two-stroke from Japan, a true engineering milestone. This particular example is a restoration project, but even as it sits, it tells the story of a wild era when two-strokes ruled the streets. The GT750 was known for its unique sound and surprisingly smooth ride, with its liquid-cooled inline triple offering both performance and character. For anyone passionate about rare classics, this Suzuki is the kind of barn find that can become a showstopper once brought back to life. Seven. 1972 Moto Guzzi Eldorado, $5,000, Tulsa, Oklahoma. This 1972 Moto Guzzi 850 Eldorado police model was originally purchased from the Riverside, California Police Department back in 1976, and yes, it still carries that authoritative presence. With its white finish, massive chrome details, and signature V-twin engine, it's a rolling symbol of Italian craftsmanship blended with American law enforcement history. The bike runs and drives, but needs a top-end overhaul, making it perfect for someone who loves both wrenching and riding. For collectors, this is a rare chance to own a real piece of Moto Guzzi history with a story that commands respect. Eight. 1984 Kawasaki KZ, $4,000, Leander, Texas. If you're after pure attitude, look no further. This chopped Kawasaki KZ1000 is raw, loud, and unapologetically cool. It's an old-school brute, stripped down, built tough, and packed with charisma. The seller calls it a chick magnet, and honestly, they're not wrong. In a world of over-styled modern bikes, this KZ stands as a rebel, a reminder of when motorcycles were about torque, freedom, and presence. It's not a bike for everyone, but for the few who get it, this KZ is a statement on two wheels. 9. 1982 Honda Goldwing GL1100, $1,500, Hara, Oklahoma. The 1982 Honda Goldwing is the definition of overbuilt reliability. This one has 44,000 miles, a clean title, and a long list of new parts, from tires and starter to cables and filters. It's been meticulously cared for and rides like a dream. Goldwings of this era were legendary for their smoothness and balance, and this GL 1100 keeps that legacy alive. For just $1,500, it's a serious touring machine at the price of a scooter. a deal that's hard to beat for anyone who loves classic long-distance comfort. (10) 1954 BSA Gold Star, $7,500, Gentry, Arkansas. Finally, we end with a true legend, the 1954 BSA Gold Star, a flat-track racing icon. This bike ran hard in the Wichita racing scene throughout the 60s, powered by a 500cc single that's as fierce as it is beautiful. The magneto's been rebuilt, and the engine still runs strong, proof of BSA's unmatched craftsmanship. The Gold Star isn't just a motorcycle, it's history on two wheels, representing the spirit of post-war racing when riders pushed boundaries with grit and steel. For $7,500, you're not just buying a bike, you're owning a story, a legacy, and a piece of motorcycling's purest era. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. If you enjoyed exploring these vintage machines, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which one you'd take home. See you in the next ride, where classic never goes out of style.